Hello students of class 7. Today we start the first chapter in civics on equality. क्लास 7 के छात्रों, आज हम लोग ऑन इक्वालिटी अर्थात समानता पर अध्ययन करेंगे कि व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ equality in a democratic country. In democracy, there is great importance of equality. People's participation, the resolution of conflict, equality and justice are the main features of democracy. प्रजातंत्र की यह मुख्य विशेषता है. जनताओं की भागीदारी, रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, किसी प्रकार का संघर्ष होता है बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल्स एंड द गवर्नमेंट, बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल्स एंड एनी इंस्टीट्यूशन, इट इज रिजॉल्व्ड बाय द कोर्ट्स. So, in all democracies, people's participation, resolution of conflicts, and justice are the main feature in all democratic government. Equal right to vote. In democracy, there is equality, or the main feature of equality is a right to vote. So equal right to vote, this equality is seen at the time of elections. यानी यह समानता निर्वाचन के समय में दिखता है. Where a domestic servant, labor and industrialist, educated person, uneducated person, government officers, media persons, all stand in a queue waiting for their turn. Here no one is poor or rich, all are equal. So all are waiting for their turn to cast their vote. This is called universal adult franchise, where इसे कहते हैं सार्वभौम वयस्क मताधिकार, which is essential part of all democracy. The idea of यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज इज बेस्ड ऑन द आइडिया ऑफ इक्वालिटी, यानी सार्वभौम वयस्क मताधिकार समानता के सिद्धांत पर आधारित है. इट स्टेट्स दैट एवरी एडल्ट इन ए कंट्री, irrespective of their wealth and the communities they belong, has one vote. Kanta, a domestic maid servant, excited today and happy because each of them has one vote. आज वो जो कांता एक डोमेस्टिक मेड सर्वेंट है, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रसन्न है, खुश है कि उसे राइट टू वोट है, जहां उसके एम्प्लॉयर जिसके यहाँ वो काम करती है वो भी उसी लाइन में खड़े हैं वोट देने के लिए, और ऑलरेडी कांता भी उसी लाइन में खड़ी है. जिससे यह स्पष्ट होता है कि प्रजातंत्र में राइट टू इक्वालिटी, राइट टू वोट, ऑल पीपल हैव equal irrespective of any religions, caste, either rich or poor. It doesn't any inequality. Equality in Indian democracy, भारतीय प्रजातंत्र में समानता. Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. भारतीय संविधान सभी जनताओं को समानता का अधिकार देता है. That every Indian and every individuals in the country, including male or female, person from all caste, religions, tribes, educational background, and economical backgrounds are recognized as equal. In democratic in India, the participation in democratic India, the principle of the equality of all persons is recognized, while earlier no law existed to protect people from discrimination. भारतीय जब तक भारत का संविधान नहीं बना था, भारत में बहुत ही डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था, भेदभाव था. While the Constitution came into force on 26th January 1915, all individuals, all citizens have given right to equality, right to vote. Now there is no discrimination concerning with any riches or poverty, concerning with educational qualification, concerning with any communities they belong. All individuals are equal before the law. कानून के सामने सब समान हैं, सब बराबर हैं. Now there are several that work to see that people are treated with dignity as equals. Students, in this chapter will study before some people were not treated equally. Some people were not treated with dignity for their work. People of high society, rich people didn't behave with the poor people equally for their work. Suppose that the people who worked as a shoemaker, mending the shoes, they were given their wages not with dignity, but while the Constitution came into force, all people have given right to equality. All people participate in the working of the government. All people are educated. Now there is dignity to all the people equally. So all the people are now treated equally and with dignity. Thanks. Next day we'll study more about on equality. Thank you. Okay.
No second.
Huh?
No second.